Hey, what's up guys? If you have been blocked or locked from your Cash App account, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, you have to check the application itself, get logged into your Cash App, and then see if there is any notification about you being blocked or locked. So next, if it's still not working, what you have to do is open your browser, type in Cash App support, and it is showing you a simply number. Go ahead and call or contact this number and get help, or you can also reach out to their specific site, which are these. And you can also type in this cashapp.help. Go ahead, do that, and you will be able to get help from Cash App support team. But if you would like to fix it yourself, you can also try uninstalling your Cash App. For example, if this is your Cash App, long tap onto it, select uninstall, and then you're going to have to reinstall again from your Play Store. At times, this might also work. Do that and see if this fixes your problem. Wi-Fi connection, and now it will fix your problem.